Hey guys, welcome to Lockdown Lowdown episode number 3, where today I'm going to be showing you how to use your iPhone as a trackpad in iOS. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is open any text editor applications such as Notes, Word, or Pages. Then tap on the paragraph that you would like to edit. As you can see here, I have a document pre-made for this. Then what you're going to want to do is tap and hold on the cursor, to which then you can drag the cursor to whichever point you want on the screen, allowing you to edit the entire document. Another way to also achieve this is by pressing and holding on your iOS device's keyboard, allowing you to drag the cursor using the keyboard to anywhere on the screen, giving you that same text editing functionality. That is all for this week, and we hope to see you next week on Lockdown Lowdown.